Hey everyone, welcome back to my new Python tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create a Python program to identify an Armstrong number. Armstrong number can be defined as being an integer, of which the sum of the cubes of its digits is equal to the number itself. Please take a note to like this video, and subscribe to my channel. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Open your favorite IDE. After that, you can follow along. First of all, we will declare a variable that will take input from the user. I am naming it as num. Now, we will declare another variable that will store the final result. I am naming it as result. Again, we will declare a variable that will hold the user input. We will be performing calculations on this variable. I am naming it as temp num. I am using a while loop, as it will cube all the digits in our number. We will introduce a variable that will store the last digit of our number. For example, if we take 512 as our number, this variable will store the value 2 in it. This can be achieved by using modulus. Now for the result variable, we will increment its value by cube of each digit. Now, we will change value of temp num such that it removes the last digit from our number. For example, if our number is 512, it will remove 2 and will return the value 51. This can be done using floor division. Floor division is a normal division operation, except that it returns the largest possible integer. Double forward slashes represent floor division in Python. Now, we will display our result using an if condition. If the result is same as our number, then it will print that given number is an Armstrong number, else it will print, given number is not an Armstrong number. I am using fstring literal method here, for printing the result. Let's save the file. I am saving it with this name. Let's run our program. As you can see, our program works perfectly fine. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please take a note to like this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.